tired of going to the nail shop? Just getting my nails. Bella chic with the best nail tech in town. Who needs a salon when she comes to you? You will love the results and feel so relaxed.
Hey, beautiful people, my Bellas and Bellos. I know it's been forever. Listen, everything is so expensive. And if you're here to save money but want to be fabulous, I have a little secret. So just come on in. You want to get your nails done, but y'all sick of those nail techs. You want an appointment but can't get in. The prices are going up everywhere, so it's like another cost at the nail salon. I have a great nail tech. I'm going to give you all the scoop. She provides me with a Stanley. She provides catering. I'm just choked up by it because I can't believe it. There's dessert, amazing products for my nails. The girl even gives me flowers when she does my nails. Massages. I'm even doing a mask while I'm getting my nails done, y'all. This is just too much. Why? Well, you can do at home and be your own nail tech. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how I have this luxury experience at home, saving you lots of money while spending $0, where you can save it for something else and have just as good of a look and not the stress. Stay tuned. My nail shop has a chef. Yeah, she has a chef. So the kitchen. And today, Bellas, we're gonna do a little mukbang on top of this spa day. My nails are all softly soaked and relaxed. And now we're gonna take a break because I ordered her special. It's a refried bean tostada with cheddar cheese and yummy Greek yogurt as the sour cream. I'm gonna also get a little salsa, so stay tuned. I think she has some in the kitchen. Right, she has salsa. So guys, we're gonna eat a little before I get my manicure finished because I'm on vacation and I didn't have time to bring food. So when you do your at-home manicure, you just have food at home. So how y'all been? I know it's been a while since I did a mukbang, a video, another Cravens video. If you're an old video, old Bello, you know. I did my Cravens video. Yogurt. Got all over the place. So good though. She killed it. Have you guys been enjoying your summer? I have been totally enjoying my summer. It's been super hot. But where have I been? Okay, so I've been working. Been working with my clients. Been working. I also, you guys didn't know, I did a show. I did a morning show. I was a host, one of the hosts of a really fun morning show for a fashion company. And I did that for almost a year. I was really low key about it. Because work, it was just a lot going on, but I do have guys, but I also have a video to finish of empties, almost 2 years of empties. Luxury, high-end. Why I like those videos is it's like you can see what really truly people love when we get products in the industry for free. We get products from friends, companies we work for, but we truly buy products too. I'm seeing your empties. You see, that's what works. Like I said, I mix a little bit of high-low. I'm so sorry, I'm hungry, y'all. So it's not huge, but it's the high-low for body, hair, and beauty. And you can save money by my recommendations, because I'm gonna tell you what works and what skin type is good for. There's so much. We're consumed by so much. Influenced by so much, right? But you are your own influencer. Like you are your own nail tech. You can be your own fabulous nail host. I already have this amazing nail. Didn't leave my house. Got my nail tech salon. I paid $0 to go out. Get you that delicious nail. So good. Oh girl. Oh, chin. But then my nail tech's gonna have to. I'm gonna go wash my hands and because she wants to get started. So you can take your time and also offer donuts. My favorite glaze donuts. Another bite so we can get this done. So I'm gonna wash my hands and show you how we do the fabulous Bella Shey. Next, after I did my cuticles and they feel so nice, I always like to do like a treatment on my hand. My nail tech is obsessed with Sunday Riley, as I am as well, and I always save my little samples. So save your samples because you can do a nice serum treatment, and this is of their vitamin C, and it's 15%, which I love, super clinical, but it builds healthy collagen and firms the skin. And a lot of people are like, oh, I don't like my hands, they look old, or because you know we wash our hands a lot, we are cleaning, using devices. So this really good, you know, it could be pricey. People might say, oh, expensive, you're using your expensive face serum. Well, use your samples. So when you purchase your stuff, guys, ask for little packets with your purchase, whatever your brand is, and do a little face serum hand massage, which we're gonna do. Now, I've been having like trigger finger, probably swipe finger, working too as a makeup artist all the years, brushes, but more so the phone. I'm sure that is more so a culprit than me doing repetitive motion, but all of it. So about a year and a half ago, I was trying to open up a bottle. I felt like my thumb, I don't know if arthritis is hitting, but feels like it pops out. So now it pops every so often, and it's much more swollen than this one. Can't you see? Ooh, look at. So I'm gonna have to get those. There's like a brace thing you can get where your thumb is like stable and you can't move it, but it maybe it'll help, because look at that, it's poked out more. You can, it's definitely, so use your little at-home massagers, get all the tension out. We have so much tension in our hands. Oh, all these things you can do at home. Take out the stress. You know, self-care is everything, but don't forget you can do it too. We just have to be creative, right? now that, and we're so close and intimate. I don't know why I got the camera so close. I just wanted for you to see my hands. Now that we are done with our vitamin C facial serum treatment, we gave ourselves a whole packet of the vitamin C serum, and look how plump and bright. We're going to top it off with the ultimate brightening facial oil, and I like to do a couple drops because I can put it all on my arms as well and really give myself a nice treatment. And then I'll go over it with the roller, stimulation, brightening any brown spots or sun damage. This is also great for scabs, scarring, which I'm scarred. I can't scar. Everything I do, I scar. So it's great. Going to, my nails are already buff, so we're going to spray our hands with some alcohol to prep for the nail polish. Buff your filers, you push back your cuticles, and if you like the pressies, you can just put your alcohol, buff them alcohol, and use your glue or the stick-on. Got my joint. See how it just will pop. Let's get to the. Ooh, you heard that? Ooh, live on camera. You heard the pop. Friends, I have these two nice nail products by Deborah Lippmann. So, you know, you spend $100 every time you get your nails done. Well, you spend maybe $100 on all these nail products and you have them for a couple years. I've had these for years. This is their gel top and base coat that we're gonna prep our nailies for that longevity. All right, see, my nail lady's so nice. She let me take out her mints so I can use this as a little stand just to show you. Anything goes at home, right? To show you the base coat of the Deborah Lippmann. So you're just going to do a thin coat like we're doing now, my beautiful friends. So this is a great kit to buy friends that want to explore beautiful professional classic. We always called it the chic mani back in the day, but you guys call it like the rich. Now I love a good nail polish, you know, an Etsy, Dior, Chanel. You know, I do have a collection, NARS, but I love a deal, honey. LA Colors, this is their gel glaze, and I found it at Five Below, and it is excellent. Now, it lasts about a week, but the gel color is gorgeous, and the texture is very much like the gel, and since we're gonna top it off with the Deborah Lippmann gel top coat, I think it's gonna give it, and I have a surprise for the top. So let's just see how this baby looks. I've tried the lighter pink, but this is more like a lilac. So let's give her a whirl, girls. I do like a gel polish. I always like to do one glob in the middle, and then I'll go to the side, and then I'll go to the other side, and then I'll even out everything, and then I'll go to the tip. See, Bella? Okay, and we'll do another coat, and then I'll show you. All right, Bellas, my nail technician has made 2 coats of the gel LA Color gel glaze. So this was like, I think $3.99. It was at Five Below. I went, discovered it, and I realized, oh, they have some cool stuff. And I'm always down to try new gel polish because, you know, the Etsy's or OPI, they can be like $9, $10. So if you're looking for quality, I wanted to test it out. And look how beautiful this purple lavender is. Isn't it gorgeous? But wait, I found, my friends, at Marshall's, on my Ross, $3.79. This is Nail Aid One-Step French Mani. Pinker nail, whiter tips like Salon, and pink white gel glossy mani in just 1 coat. Result starts in 1 day, so it just gets better and better, like the lip balm. And they adjust. Well, I wanted to try it. So if you like a clear nail, that would be beautiful. But I'm gonna try it over the lavender and see how it goes. I think I just missed it, but we'll see. Okay, I'll be back. My nail technician's like, hurry up, hurry up. Okay. All right. Here is. Oh, isn't that gorgeous, friends? See this little glaze it off and gave it such a beautiful finish. Very stellar. Look how bright my hands look with my vitamin C Sunday Riley hand treatment. Remember, use your serum and give yourself like a once a week, twice a week hand treatment, or save it for your mani self-care days. I also use the Deborah Lippmann face coat, top coat gel, and then I have a fast coat LA color, I think, that I got at the Dollar Tree that I've been using. It's one of my try and true. It's not thick. I do have an Etsy one, but I love this LA color one. So I'm gonna let them dry and then do a base coat. Fast coat, fast dry, and put my rings on. And it took us 20 minutes, 30 minutes. You hung out with me. Self-care, smell the roses. Even though this little purple one is dying, falling, it's okay. The flowers smell good. I'm gonna add a little of my favorite hand lotion by Byredo. You know we are a lover of this brand. This is in rose, and it's a sexy, it's a classic rose with a little bit of spice, so it's not too florally. It's so elegant, and I loved it. She loves to top off, the manicure with a nice scented hand lotion. And the nail techs always try to add a design, right? They're always like, add a design, add a design. You can buy your own little design and do them yourself. So stay tuned to finish this off. Hey Bella, my nail tech is all done. So she just added a little stone to the corner and a little stone flower, with your at-home rhinestones that you can get anywhere. Walgreens, Dollar Tree, and you keep them, right? And you have an event where you're feeling creative and you do it. You save yourself $5, $10. Oh, I feel so beautiful and so needed that self-care. I have this mask on. I'm gonna take it off. I'm drinking my water with my family. I just had a great time hanging out with you. I hope you come back. We'll do some more self-care. I'll give you some more tips on how I save money doing treatments at home and making yourself feel good and getting better service, honey. I ate, I had dessert, I had a massage, I had a mask on my hand, I got a nail design, I have an aromatherapy with my candle, and she has my name. She's so custom. Everything feels good. It was a pleasure. So if you love these videos, come back. There's more and more and more. Most importantly, I hope it made you smile, because I know you are beautiful looking at me. And also, if you're new to this channel, please think about subscribing, because I have a good time. And most of my views come from new subscribers, new viewers, new people, new friends. So let's stay in touch. Plus, I have lots of videos. You can catch up and get my vibe. My vibe has always been classic, fabulous, save money, and keep smiling. All right, Bellas and Bellos.